What if I told you that your financial future is not decided by your salary, your bank balance, or even your investments, but by something much more subtle: your reactions, the way you feel before spending money, the way you think after spending it, and most importantly, the way you behave when you choose not to spend at all. Behavioral psychology shows that wealth is not just about numbers, it's about patterns of thinking. Interestingly, the people who eventually build strong financial foundations often feel uncertain about their money habits, while those who struggle financially tend to feel completely comfortable. This is because money is less about intelligence and more about awareness. And if you pay attention closely, there are certain hidden signs that reveal your financial instincts are far stronger than you think. One of the first signs is that you feel a subtle tension before spending money. While most people experience excitement when buying something new, you experience a pause. It's not fear or hesitation in a negative sense, but a quiet internal check. Your mind automatically asks whether the purchase is worth your time, effort, and future. This moment of resistance is powerful because it prevents impulsive decisions before they happen. People who lack this awareness often regret purchases later, but you feel the friction early, which gives you control. That small pause is not holding you back, it is protecting your future. Another sign is your ability to remember past prices. You might walk into a store, browse online, and feel that something is more expensive than it should be. You don't always remember exact numbers, but you remember enough to sense change. This awareness gives you an advantage in a world where prices constantly rise. While most people silently adjust to inflation, your brain notices it and reacts. This allows you to make smarter decisions, avoid unnecessary expenses, and maintain control over your spending habits without even realizing it. You also tend to think beyond the price tag. Instead of focusing only on how much something costs, you think about how long it will last and how often you will use it. A product is not just a one-time expense in your mind, it becomes a long-term calculation. This perspective shifts your behavior completely. Rather than chasing cheap options that need frequent replacement, you lean toward value and durability. Over time, this mindset reduces wasteful spending and increases the quality of your purchases, which quietly builds financial stability. Another powerful indicator is your reaction to discounts. While most people feel excitement and urgency when they see a sale, you instinctively question it. You ask yourself why the item is discounted, whether it was overpriced before, and if you would still buy it at full price. This skepticism protects you from marketing traps designed to trigger impulsive behavior. You understand, even if subconsciously, that discounts are often created to encourage spending, not saving. By questioning rather than reacting, you maintain control over your decisions. You also don't feel a strong need to constantly upgrade your belongings. In a world where new versions of everything are released regularly, many people fall into the habit of replacing items that still work perfectly fine. But you have a different approach. If something is functional and serves its purpose, you are comfortable continuing to use it. This good enough mindset is incredibly powerful because it prevents unnecessary spending cycles. Over time, avoiding frequent upgrades can lead to significant savings and long-term financial growth. Another interesting sign is that you may find it harder to spend money on yourself, but easier to spend on others. While this might seem like a weakness, it actually reflects a deeper value system. You see money spent on relationships as meaningful, while spending on yourself feels more transactional. This often leads to higher savings rates because you are naturally more cautious with personal expenses. However, the key is balance, recognizing that investing in your own well-being is just as important as being generous with others. You also possess something called walking away power. When faced with a purchase or negotiation that doesn't feel right, you are capable of stepping back. Many people struggle with this because they become emotionally attached to the idea of owning something before they actually buy it. This mental commitment makes it difficult to walk away, even when the deal isn't ideal. But you maintain a boundary. You are willing to let go if the terms don't align with your expectations, and that ability protects you from overpaying and making poor financial decisions. Another strong sign is how you treat unexpected money. Whether it's a bonus, a gift, or any form of extra income, you don't see it as free money. Instead, you treat it with the same level of importance as your regular earnings. You think about how it can be used effectively, whether for saving, investing, or reducing debt. This mindset prevents careless spending and ensures that every inflow of money contributes to your financial progress rather than setting you back. Your reaction to financial news also reveals a lot about your mindset. When markets fluctuate or economic headlines appear, you don't panic, nor do you ignore them completely. Instead, you maintain a balanced response. You stay informed without becoming emotionally overwhelmed. This middle ground approach is crucial because extreme reactions, either fear-driven decisions or complete indifference, often lead to poor outcomes. By staying calm and aware, you position yourself for better long-term results. There is also a tendency in you to reflect deeply on financial mistakes. Even a small error might stay in your mind longer than expected. While this can feel uncomfortable, it serves an important purpose. It allows you to learn from your decisions and avoid repeating them. This kind of reflection builds what can be called financial immunity. Each mistake becomes a lesson that strengthens your future choices, making you more resilient over time. Another powerful trait is your ability to plan backward from your goals. Instead of asking what you can afford right now, you think about what is required to achieve a specific outcome. Whether it's buying a house, building savings, or reaching financial independence, you start with the destination and work your way back. This approach gives your decisions direction and purpose, helping you reach your goals faster and more efficiently than those who only focus on present affordability. Ultimately, the most important sign is how you view money itself. You don't see it as a score to compare with others. You don't measure your worth based on what someone else owns. Instead, you understand that money is a tool, a resource that should serve your freedom, your time, and your life. This perspective shifts everything. It removes unnecessary pressure and allows you to focus on what truly matters. If you recognize yourself in these patterns, then you already have a strong psychological advantage. You are not just managing money, you are understanding it at a deeper level. But there is one final thing to remember. The goal of financial discipline is not just to build wealth. It is to create a life where you actually feel secure and fulfilled. Because in the end, money is only valuable when it supports the life you truly want to live. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before making financial decisions.